little artists! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw something fun, a colorful staircase.
Yay!
Are you ready? Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Grab your black marker and let's start. First, draw a vertical line on the left side. Now let's draw a horizontal line for the bottom of the staircase. Now let's draw the stairs. We'll make 4 steps. Start from the top, go across, then down, then across, then down. Keep going until you have 4 nice steps. Wow, you're doing amazing. Every staircase needs a handle so we can hold on while we walk up. Draw a slanted line going from the bottom left to the top right. Now add vertical lines from each step to the handle. These are the railings. Looks great! Nice job, everyone! Our drawing is complete. Now let's go over all the lines again to make the outline bold and sharp. This will make our artwork pop. Looking awesome, isn't it?
Yay!
Now it's time to color. Here are the colors we'll use today. We're going to make a rainbow staircase. Red color.
Wow!
Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Pink color. Wow, it's looking so colorful and happy. Yay! Our rainbow staircase is finished. You did such an amazing job today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share it with your friends so they can draw with us too. See you next time on Toddlers Art Hub. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.